Creating high-quality content can be expensive and time-consuming, making it difficult for beginner and expert marketers to crack the secret content code. But what if there was a better way? Introducing ProfitScribe, the groundbreaking tool that uses AI-powered robots to write unique and readable content for you 24/7. ProfitScribe creates fully-fledged info products, ebooks, and articles at the push of a button, making it easy and cost-effective to produce fresh and unique content for your online business. The tool is designed to provide an all-in-one solution that includes red-hot targeted traffic, ensuring that businesses can benefit from easy sales, guaranteed traffic, and a passive income stream for years to come. ProfitScribe offers full control to its users, who can start their own profitable business by creating content for themselves or selling it to others. The software comes with 24/7 premium support and all the necessary training, making it easy to get started. With commercial rights included, users can sell the content created on platforms like Fiverr, providing further opportunities for income generation. By using ProfitScribe, marketers can benefit from easy sales and a passive income stream for years to come. The tool is designed to provide red-hot targeted traffic, ensuring that businesses can benefit from a steady stream of traffic. The software is simple to use, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced marketers alike. ProfitScribe uses AI-powered robots to create unique and readable content, ensuring that your content is always fresh and engaging. The tool creates unique content that is never seen before, making it ideal for businesses that want to stand out from the competition. ProfitScribe provides a cost-effective solution that eliminates the need for expensive outsourcing or time-consuming content creation. ProfitScribe is an all-in-one solution that includes traffic generation and premium support, making it easy to get started. With ProfitScribe, you can finally say goodbye to paying for content and wasting your time and money on figuring out traffic. Say hello to ProfitScribe, the tool that provides